Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. It's that time of year again to celebrate Mom. Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're making some spring Mother's Day cookies. For this set, we'll be spelling Mom in flowers. I'm going to lay a base of soft piping consistency icing to help give my stiff icing something to grip to. For more specifics on icing consistency, check out my video linked in the details below or at the top of this video. We'll use a food-safe brush to spread everything out. To build up my floral arrangement, I'll be using a combination of pre-made icing transfers and the highly advertised Rushing icing tips. Hashtag not sponsored. When using these tips, it's important to keep them clean and damp. If any royal icing starts to harden inside before piping, you'll most certainly have to wash it out before it will give you a clean image. Pipe out a tiny amount, touch it to the cookie, big squeeze, and a quick pull up. I provide a detailed list of all the tools I use below my videos. Now we'll fill in the spaces by creating flowers using regular piping tips, also listed below. I'm using a lot of orange flowers because it's one of my mom's favorite colors. We'll add some greenery to the arrangement. And one last pop of pink to finish it up. These fun flowery cookies are all done and ready to show Mom some love. Have you tried Russian icing tips? Did you use royal icing or buttercream? How was the outcome? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.